All right, guys, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I am very happy because this year we don't have many good companies going into the stock market, right? Publicly traded companies, IPOs, I should say. We have very few. Most are $4 or $5 IPOs that we all know financially and all that stuff. They're horrible. We just try to see if maybe they can pop on day one, and that's about it. But I always build my portfolio based on amazing companies, and through the years, my entire portfolio of anything that I may hold and the biggest success I have is on great companies. Period. That's it. I am a long-term investor. I do my day trades, I do my swing trades, but much of that at the end of the day, the profits all end up back into great companies for my long-term portfolio, which I love to just keep on building and building and building. And I find it to be one of the most beautiful things anyone can do, just my opinion. And, maybe take advantage of my long-term portfolio someday or just pass it on to my kids. I don't know. We'll see. So we do have an amazing company going public on the stock market that I think is just a stunning company coming from one of the greatest companies globally in the world. And I'm super excited to share this with you. So let's get started.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
All right, guys, Cummins announces filing for IPO registration statement for filtration business. So their filtration business is going public. And the name of the business is Atmus Filtration Technologies Incorporation. This is one of the biggest global leaders in filtration products for on-highway commercial vehicles and off-highway agriculture, construction, mining, power generation vehicles and equipment. Atmus Filtration Technologies has filed for a $275 million IPO, and they are coming very fast. I'll tell you the date in a little bit. The company is beginning the separation process from their parent company, Cummins. Nashville, now I hope I pronounced it right. I understand Cummins is a huge company. It's a global leader. I probably should have known how to pronounce it, but I don't use their products and I'm in Greece, so we'll see after the video if I pronounce their name right. All right, Nashville, I do know Cummins to be honest, I know this company from the engines for boats that a lot of the boats here in Greece use their engines, and they're really good engines, so that's how I know them. Nashville, Tennessee-based Atmus Filtration Technologies Corporation was created and branded as Cummins Filtration to design and manufacture filtration technologies for engines and industrial equipment. The company is headed by Miss Steph Deisher, who has been with the company since 2013, was previously operations director and managing director for parent firm Cummins in the South Pacific region. The company will be offering OEM filtration parts, aftermarket filtration parts. And so far, they've received it's 499.7, but let's just say $500 million in investments from their parent company, Cummins, which is trading on the stock market under ticker symbol CMI. Now, if we look at the total revenue of the company, in 2020, they had $1.4 billion, 2021, $1.5 billion, so that was an increase of 8.6%, and 2023, for the first 3 months, $418 million, which, like I said, this is just for the first 3 months. And by comparing that to 2021, that's a 9.4% positive increase. The image you see here is actually from their products. I understand it says Fleet Card, but that's how they name these products. Gross profit loss in 2020, $350 million, 2021, $358 million, and the first 3 months, 2023, $109 million. You know what? It looks good so far, right? You got, let's say 2021, $1.5 billion in revenue, gross profit loss at $358 million, and their gross margin needs improvement. Obviously, it is on an average of about 22-23%. If we look at the operating profit loss in 2020, $214 million, 2021, $203 million. Compare that to the revenue they got, and so far I think the company looks pretty good. Net income loss went from $171 million in 2020 to $170 million in 2021, and the cash flow from operations $202 million in 2020, $177 for 2021, 67.5 for the first 3 months of 2022. The company has $452 million in total liabilities, and their free cash flow is positive $204 million. So the ticker symbol for this stock is ATMU. They are going public on May 26th, this month on the 26th, 2023, and I'm very excited to see this company go public. They are going to go at 18 to 21 US dollars will be the initial price for this IPO. Will it open at 18 to 21? Look, probably not, to be honest. I think that people, if they really like this company, they go after it. The institutional investors and so on, before we have a chance, before it opens for us, the retail investors, I think it's going to open higher. This is just my opinion. I am hoping that it opens at 18, max 21. That would be amazing. So we'll see. And like I said, it's going public on the 26th of 2023. The float to outstanding shares ratio is at 16.9%. If we look at the market cap of the company, 1.6 billion, enterprise value 2.1 billion, price to sales 1.02, EV to revenue 1.35, EV to EBITDA 9.48, earnings per share is positive $2.20, operating margin positive 14%, net margin 11.76%, net free cash flow is positive $204 million, free cash flow yield per share is 12.5%. Debt to EBITDA multiple at 2.85. Valuation score, I give it a 4 out of 5. Goldman Sachs is the underwriter, and I think that this company is amazing. It's awesome. It's a stock that I would really like to have in my long-term portfolio. And how I'm going to play this, to be honest, is going to be quite different. Even though I like it a lot, I think that if it opens at 18 to 21, I will buy right away as soon as it opens, and then trade it within the first 1 to 2 months, as I believe it will go higher. And I think I'm going to make the choice after that within the first 2 months to sell, wait for the lockup period to expire, and see if maybe the smart money will start cashing in to get their profits, see the stock go down, and then get back in for the long run. That's how I want to see, I'm trying to play this stock. Corebridge ended up like that. It went public at 20, I don't remember what it was, 2021. It was hovering around there, a little higher for the first, months before the lockup period expired, first 3 months. And then the lockup period expired and the stock went down to $15, although now it's gone back up to 17 and headed back for 20. But yeah, so that's how I'm going to play it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this IPO. I think it's awesome. If you don't think it's awesome, let me know the reasons why. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to share this video, share it in your social media. There's no problem. And I wish you all the best. Take care.